Why does your work at the 6 o'clock position always come out bad? It's because we haven't found the right soldering iron angle. Today we'll explain in detail how to set the correct soldering iron angle for the 6 o'clock position so it won't stick to the strip or make flux/slag run to the front of the screw. First, in normal practice, many people think the 6 o'clock position should be a straight 90 degrees push, or they think the iron should be tilted back to push the screw forward. But doing that also pushes the slag forward, which means the slag ends up in front of the screw and causes sticking. The correct angle is to keep the iron at 90 degrees and push backward, especially in the lower half, around that 1%/lower part area. The angle must be in 90 degrees backward push. That does two things. First, you'll see the molten solder clearly separate from the screw, so it won't stick to the strip. Second, when you push backward, the slag gets pushed to the back, so the screw is very clear and the edge line is easier to see. That makes it easier to drive the screw. When you move from a 6 o'clock position upward, start by pulling the iron, pull it up, 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 and when you reach about the 4 o'clock position, switch to pushing while continuing upward. Keep rotating the iron upward with the motion until you reach 12 o'clock. By the time you're in the upper half turn, the soldering iron should be kept basically vertical. That way the solder in front looks nicely fused and the solder bead will be more attractive. Makes sense. Next, we'll show you a demonstration on a highball screw, so everyone can watch the operation details. Now you can see the final result LL. Hope you learned something. #Subscribe Weldmaster India for more information about welding lesson. Thanks for watching.